Alright, boys and girls, welcome back here to Ratchet and Clank. We are going back to the planet where we saw that surfboard guy. What's his name? I don't know, Dingleberry Magoo or something. We won a trophy in the last episode. We gotta give it to his agent now. I'm trying to remember where his agent is. I think I might be able to get to it. I'm gonna fast forward a little bit to get there here, so hold your horses here. Alright, here we are. I think he's right here, right? Somewhere up here? I feel like we're right here, right? Right? That him? I feel like he's over here. Oh no, there's the golden bolt. Okay, well, I didn't mean to do that, but... Okay, we got the golden bolt by accident. I thought the agent was up here. Am I crazy? Guys, come on. Is over here? Where the hell is he? I could have sworn... Oh, did I go the wrong way? Is he over here? He might be over here. And this way? He's over here, right? Yeah, hold on. No, I'm sorry. Here we are.
Fantastic! You got it! Great work, kid.
So, are you gonna represent me?
You bet, kid. And as a signing bonus, I've got... this.
Cool helmet.
That is a sonic summoner. It is used to attract sand mice.
Right, and it's all yours. Well, I'm off to finalize the paperwork. I'll have my people call your people.
Do you have people?
The sonic summoner allows you to interact with the mysterious and intelligent sand mice species. Despite their innocent appearance, sand mice are very effective and aggressive hunters. Simply equip the sonic summoner when you are near a sand mouse house, and a mouse will emerge to greet you. If the mouse likes you, it may offer a bit of high-caliber tactical assistance.
Neat. Also, was that Rob Paulson? It sounded like him. Cool, so now I got this little puppy, which is great. Alright, we're gonna go back to that. I got another planet we're going to. Oh, is this gonna teleport me right? Hold on. Yeah, I guess we won't skip. We're right here. Where'd my ship go? There it is. Alright, we're gonna go to Quark's HQ now. Survive his gauntlet. We can do this. Hopefully there's like sand mice things there. So I feel like those are gonna come in clutch. Yeah, a little behind the scenes. Usually I record these episodes in advance. This is literally the day before this is airing. So it is Tuesday, the day after Columbus Day right now that I'm recording this at 9 o'clock at night. Just for you guys to have it at 11 o'clock the next morning.
Welcome to my challenge course. Now is your chance to prove yourself strong and brave, like me. Conquer it, and you'll join in my fight against evil.
Haven't we done enough already?
What? I can't hear you.
I said, haven't we done?
Sorry, still having trouble. Tell me later.
Later? We might be dead by then.
What?
All right, Clank, let's get going.
Alright, well let's check this out first.
I got some great bargains for you today.
I mean, sure. Might as well. What's it do? Oh. Just, Now, do they hurt me if I go into them? Okay, well, that's good at least. I was half expecting it to. Alright, let's get out the, Glove of Doom. Whatever this gauntlet is, it's gonna be tough, I'm sure. We can take them. We're ready for this. I feel like that just destroyed them all, right? Are they still over there? I think that was a total waste of my Glove of Doom. Yeah. At least a 2 ammo on that thing, too. Why do I get my helmet? That mine thing. Wait, don't I have to hit, like... Yeah. Where did my... Is it not a weapon? It might not be a weapon. It's not a weapon, so how do I get my, gadgets? Heli pack. Yeah. I want that. There we go. Okay. Cool. Now, can I just walk around my grind boots? I guess so. Doesn't hurt me, right? No. Can I grind on that? Damn. Alright. Alright, this isn't, I feel like, so bad as long as I'm taking it slow, right? Actually, why even waste ammo? I could just do this. Yeah. Oh, there's something there, right? Oh no, it's a... What the hell? It's like a shooty magooty thing. Is it dead? I feel like it's just hiding. Yeah, it was just hiding. Oh my gosh. I don't think I can actually kill it. Try one more time. Yeah, no, okay, you could just... Did it die? No, no, okay. I got 1 hit left. Not ideal. I didn't know they were coming after you like that. Alright, shit, hold on. Alright, I'm not screwing that again. Okay, here we go. We're back at it. What is that? What the hell's going on here? Okay. Oh shit. Oh shit. Okay, I really should just take him out. I don't know why I'm... Okay, hold on. Just take him out, dude. There you go. No need to, like, face off against him. There's these things again. Easy to take out. Check this out. 1, 2, 3. Well, I got 1 of them. Ow. Oh shit. No, 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 no. There's life over there, but I don't know if I can... Well, yeah, we can. Yeah, we can. We can do it. We can do it. We're just gonna do this. Quick select. Take that out and put in I don't know. Put in the bomb glove. Oh, I got 0 ammo there. Put in the old mine glove. There you go. Alright. Oh, that hurt it. That seemed like it hurt it. Nope, maybe not. Oh boy, all this for 1 thing of health, but I got hurt, I think, twice anyway, so... Oh, I didn't even get health. I should have just ignored that completely. I'm an idiot. Oh boy, okay. Where's my Glove of Doom? Oh my gosh, help! I'm dead. I'm dead, I can't lose this thing. Oh. Hold on. Alright, I broke down and I bought ammo for the blaster. Even though I hate buying ammo when it can come to you from boxes and stuff. I'm cheap as hell, but I did it. I was smart. Bought 50 ammo, and look at that. It's easy to get freaking bolts. Okay, how are we gonna do this one? A little closer. Try it right here. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Yeah, okay. Can these do anything? Is this steps to anything? No, it doesn't look like it. Okay. I'm gonna get that health first, because I got hit once. Load that shit up. Give me all this. Okay, I don't know if that was a puzzle or if that was just... I don't know. Jeez, oh. Come on, man. And why is my visor not equipped? Keeps giving me Glove of Doom ammo, and I don't know why. I feel like that's a pretty valuable one, but... Alright, so you gotta hit him in a certain time limit, I'm guessing? I don't know, man. Also, Glove of her blaster ammo's running real low now all of a sudden. Blaster ammo? I don't need pyro ammo. Whoa, okay, didn't see that. Didn't see that. Okay, which way am I going? This way? The hell's this thing? Okay. Listen to this. Should have got more blasts. I shouldn't have been so cheap. I feel like it's not that hard, but you make a mistake and it's like, well, it screwed you up. Getting a lot of bolts out of this, though. There's that thing. Screw you. Okay. Don't die here. It's over here. Okay, do I go this way or that way? I could make it to that. Should I try it? I'm gonna try it. Oh. Did we do it? I think we did it. Blaster ammo? Is that Glove of Doom? Come on, man. Killing me. Alright. Oops. How do you... Oh, man. How do I long jump? I don't want to mess this up. Okay, it's R1. R1 long jumps. Okay. But I don't think I need a long jump. I think I just need a regular old... There you go. Don't make it crazy. And then that open this. Oh, look at this. Neat. Oh, man, this should be called the Golden Bolt episode here. Okay, that was worth it because I got a little health, little extra. Dang, they are just filling me up with this damn ammo for the flamethrower here. Alright, what's the play here? What is the play here? What are we trying to do? What are we trying to achieve? Okay, this button 1 is right here. Button 2's right here. I see ya. Button 3's over here. Button 3. Did I get them all? Did I open this up? Look at this. I'm killing it. Slaying this. I don't even think I need that health, right? No, that's just gonna stay there for a second. Alright. What do we see here? A bunch of mines. Great. Okay. Boom. Not bad, not bad. Okay, that's probably gonna screw me up because there's now one rogue one. No, I'm doing okay with it. Is that Quark right there? Do we do it? Come on, Quark. Did I open this door? What did that do? Over here. Okay. Come on, buddy. I need your help or something. I don't even know. Oh, man. Metal Gear Solid's got nothing on this ladder. Alright. Nope. This one. Is that a fish in there? That fish probably hurts you, doesn't it? Well, screw you, fish. Oh, can I attack him now? Wait, is that one dead on the thing? Oh, man, that's funny. I don't want to see him suffer. Here you go, pal. Right. Put a little water in here. Oh, I should have killed the fish first. I'm gonna do that, actually. Let me kill the fish first. Let's play it safe. I don't want to do this all over again. Is that poop? Did you shit in the water? That's definitely poopy. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not a big fan of the water puzzles because they're not really puzzles. It's just like, oh, when you see one, do it. You know, I feel like it wanted me to do that so I can take care of the fish. Yeah, because I need to go over there, I think, right? Maybe not, actually. Oh, maybe I gotta go under here? Probably. Oh, yeah. Yeah, there we go. Now we're getting advanced here. Now I need 2 gadgets? Oh, what? That didn't count? How did that not count? Here we go. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. God, that was easy. Alright, and then we gotta dump it here. And then I gotta... Oh, there's a lot of fish. Hold on, suck it out first. Why risk? You know what I mean? that all of them? Nah, come here. I ain't taking risks here. Can I get over there? How do I get over there? How do I... Oh, I gotta empty the water again. Hold on. I see it. There we go. Okay. I'm assuming they're gonna make me dump this water. I'm not done with the puzzles because I'm assuming I can't bring water to other areas because I could break some puzzles. No? It's weird they let me keep the water. Finally, blaster ammo. Yes. I can't see shit though. What's wrong with the camera? There we go. Boss fight? Do I gotta fight Quark? Oh shit, alright, we're gonna get Glove of Doom out here then.
Well, well, you two continue to surprise me. Step into the ring of heroes, and I will finally give you what you deserve.
Ratchet, this is no time for you to become cautious. We have reached our goal.
I don't know. There's something fishy going on here.
Listen to your little metal friend, Ratchet. Your destiny is mere steps away.
It's just something doesn't seem right.
This is it. Quark is going to help us stop Chairman Drek.
Why, thank you, Clank. You've been most helpful.
Whoa! Get off of me, you idiot!
I love it when a plan comes together.
What do you mean?
Wait, is
What
Quark
do you
evil?
think he means, genius? He's not gonna help us. He's gonna kill us.
You catch on quick. Although there is one problem with your hypothesis. I'm not going to kill you.
You're not?
No, he is.
But why?
But why? It's really not that difficult to decipher. I'm the official spokesman for Drek's new planet. I can't have you two getting in the way of my comeback.
This isn't over, Quark.
No, but it will be soon.
What a twist! I really didn't see that coming, I'm not gonna lie. Alright, what do I gotta do for this? Oh shit, he is like pissed, dude. How do I... Is he gonna jump over here? Whoa, okay. Do I gotta run from him? Okay, that's doing something. Very minimal, but something. Alright, where's my, I guess, blaster? I don't know what to use. That's doing something, at least. Okay, now I run, I bet, right? Oh, yeah. Oh, not in the lava, though! Oh. Cool, okay, so that makes him fall into the lava, but it also destroys a freaking bridge, which was not ideal. Okay, I kind of like puzzle bosses, and this is like a puzzle boss. What happens if he burns Oh, I see. He can't. Okay. Not bad. Look at this, ready? Just fuck him up, dude. Okay, let's make him go over this bridge now. Honestly, not so bad. I mean, he hasn't hit me once. Where's the last bridge? It's behind him over there. Okay, so... let's do... shit. He's going the wrong way. I gotta, like... hold on. I gotta tactician here. Oh no, wait, am I out? What's he doing? What's he trying to suck me up? Get the fuck out of here. I need do the bomb gloves, I guess. Shit, that blaster was coming in clutch. Cool, okay, that's all I need. Okay, he's done, right? Give me that health over here, just in case. Oh, I was down to one hit. Holy shit. I didn't realize I was that close. Done though, right? Dunzo? Done? Cork? Ooh. Let me fill up my health here.
I wonder what that infobot is for.
Maybe it can replace you.
We're pinned down! We're pinned down! The ships are hammering our position from the air! That was a little too close! We need support! Now! Actually, I need support. My entire battalion went AWOL and left me to fight this war on my own. If the enemy doesn't kill those guys, I will. I'm not gonna last much longer. Requesting immediate assistance. Over and out.
Those are direct ships destroying that planet. We must help that commando.
Are you serious? That's it. I am out of here. Captain Quark is gonna be sorry he messed with me.
This is not about Captain Quark anymore. There are innocent lives being lost.
Yeah? Well, I'm done with this stupid hero stuff. I got my own agenda now.
Ratchet, this is not like you.
What do you know about me? You've spent this whole time looking for Quark. You don't know anything about me.
I know that you will do the right thing.
Well, right now the thing I want to do is find Quark. How do you start this stupid thing?
Have you forgotten? You need a robotic ignition system. I will start the ship if you agree to help that commando.
So, blackmail is it? Fine. Just shut up and start the ship.
Damn.
Back so soon?
Oh, you're talking to me.
I'm not in the habit of talking to myself, you buffoon. Did you get rid of them?
Yes. No. Well, I had this plan, and I thought...
You thought? You thought? I do the thinking around here, you slug-brained idiot. I simply needed you to eliminate those two nuisances before they could cause any real trouble.
But I wanted to...
Do you still want to be the highly paid spokesman for my planet?
Yeah?
Then the next time I send you to do a job, I want results! Now get out of my sight!
Damn, Ratchet and Clank, they're, kind of making a rift between them, huh? This shit's got emotion to it. Alright, boys and girls, in the next episode, we're gonna help out the commander in Planet Battaglia. See what he's got to say here.
Add attention, you deserting maggots! The next time you soldiers try to go AWOL, I'll shoot you myself!
Look, I just want to...
Zip it, worm! You see those bombers? If you don't get to the turrets and knock those ships out of the sky, this whole planet's gonna be rubble! Meet me at the city entrance!
He needs our help.
Yeah? Why don't you go help him? Into another trap. Well, go on. Go fight some evil.
At least I'm not a coward.
Whatever. As soon as I find Quark, I'm selling you for scrap.
Damn, dude. All right. There's some serious tension going on here. Yeah, we're going to get to the bottom of this in the next episode. Until then, stay cool, stay frosty. Hasta la pasta, babies.